So, I have watched this YouTube video where he explained how to be productive and what he does to be more productive. And I thought, I'm going to try it, so let's go. Some background info. This guy is a student and is doing courses in programming, and so am I. So, I think he is speaking from a point of experience. That's why I'm going to try. So, the first things that I did, there are in total 7 things that I did that he mentioned and I would like to try. Number one, I tidied up my room, that is, kept my books in one place, all stacked up, and keep everything back in its own original place. I started maintaining a growth book with all my goals, schedule, and a personal note and a weekly goal. And by far, I'm completing about half of the goals and more than half of my schedule, which is really good thing because I know where I'm going and what I need to do and how to be more productive. Third, I also planned my diet and exercise. In exercise, all I do is go for a 45-minute walk every day. It clears my mind and helps me focus while studying. The fourth thing that guy mentioned was to listen to white noise while studying. So I downloaded a 1 hour track of rain sounds, and it really drowns out all the background noise that comes from anywhere within the house or from outside of my house. And it actually helped me quite a bit. The fifth thing that is most important and most of us don't do is keep away our distractions. As we know that smartphones or any devices with screens has been developed to distract us. So while studying, keep those away in another room or generally not on your desk. And try not to take notes on your smart devices, which is a good thing, and I have been doing that. Also, we don't keep in mind that our sleep is also very important. So I fixed a time to go to sleep and wake up. And I have been following it for 1 week and it has changed my life. The key here is to be more disciplined. And this is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to do for 1 month, during which my second in some exam is coming, and I will see if there is any difference in my performance. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this, and I will try to make some more video contents from now on.